So the Maroon them said them was going to give the House of Parliament back to the PNP because the JLP disrespected them. And so far, the Maroon is making good on that promise. We saw Buju Banton make his first appearance around the PNP platform yesterday. Now, you see Mark Golding, the person, have a good heart. Mark Golding, the individual, as we know, have somewhat of a pure intention for Jamaican people. The one them where people like myself are bad for. And so, there's two PNP. There is the PNP for Norman and Michael Manley. And there is the PNP that want to be the face of homosexuality in Jamaica, the new democracy. This is why Andrew Holness and his government made sure that they positioned all the gay people in their party so that when the gay conversation would have come up, they would have had the proper representations and the proper representatives to speak on their behalf. So they wouldn't have to answer much to the public, and the public would make it would seem as if they are doing something. But it's not that they don't have people in the Labour right government that is pushing the gay agenda as well. But the PNP is the face of the gay agenda in Jamaica, and also many different bodies that want to come. Now, this is not a personal attack on the gay agenda via politics, but there is a movement of the gay agenda here to get a footing to show their powers here on the island, and it is not working according to how them want it to go. So them using all the different representatives that them can. When PNP come into the government, they will turn it over, get the people them where them really want to get to be the leaders where them choose. So Mark Golding is in the fight of his life to prove to Jamaican people that him is a true heterosexual Christian man who love the original format of what family values and also the development of the country really means. Now, this video is 3 minutes, so I'm not going to go much into it more than to say, keep on the eye them wide open because the system farm them armies and them getting ready now to make the move. You still give them it?